Imagine creating 100 social media posts in less than 10 minutes. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step strategy using ChatGPT, Google Sheets, Canva, and Buffer. This will save you a ton of time in the future. Let's jump right in. First step is to prompt ChatGPT to generate content ideas around your specific topic or niche. ChatGPT will instantly provide you with a list of ideas that you can use for your social media calendar. Now that you have your content ideas, let's organize them into a structured format. Copy and paste all the generated ideas into a Google Sheet or Excel. Make sure you label each column clearly. For this example, we will only use one column with no title. Once you're done formatting, save it as a CSV file. This will allow us to easily upload it into Canva for bulk content creation. It's a super important step because CSV files are the link between your spreadsheet data and Canva's automation tool. So double check if everything looks right here. Next, head over to Canva and create a new social media reel design. Canva has tons of free templates, but pick the one that fits your needs. For now, let's use this one. Add your brand colors, fonts, and logo to make the template your own. This is crucial because it maintains brand consistency across all of your posts. Spend a few minutes tweaking the templates so that it looks exactly what you want it to be. Now comes the real magic. It's time to use Canva's bulk create feature. Now you can bring in your 100 content ideas in just a few clicks. Here's how to do it. First, click on Apps in the left-hand menu. Next, select Bulk Create and then choose the Upload CSV file option. Import the CSV file you saved earlier. You will see your content ideas pop up instantly. Next, map the data fields in the CSV file to the text placeholders in your Canva design. For example, link the Content Idea column to the main text box in your template. Click Continue, and there you go. Canva will generate a preview for each reel using your template and the ideas you imported. If everything looks okay, click Generate All and let Canva generate the 100 designs for you all at once. Now you just created 100 branded social media posts in minutes without manually designing each one of them. Next up, let's schedule these beautiful reels. Instead of posting them manually every day, let's use the free social media scheduling tool Buffer. First, go to Buffer and log into your account. If you don't have one, create a free account. It only takes a couple minutes. Next, create a new posting schedule. Decide the days and times you want your reels to go live. Consistency is key, so set your schedule based on when your audience is most active. After you've chosen your slots, upload each reel into the desired format. You can use Buffer's AI assistant to write your reel copy and include relevant hashtags. Buffer will display a preview of all of your posts in the content calendar. Double check each one of them to ensure it's aligned with your strategy and make any tweaks if necessary. You're allowed to pre-schedule up to 10 posts per social media profile in the free plan. For myself, this is plenty since I never pre-schedule more than 4 weeks ahead of time. You've not only created 100 social media posts in a few minutes, but you've also got them scheduled and ready to go. That's a massive time saver for any business professional, owner, or content creator. If you found this video helpful, you might also like another video I made around the tool Buffer over to my side. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.